How many of you have done this? But you'd rather have done this. Well, if you're struggling with accurate position play, this video is for you. Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hey, today's video is about cue ball control. Tony Robles, when he was at my place, he showed me a great drill so that we can understand better how to position the cue ball with accuracy. So without further ado, let's check it out. First things first, we need to mark our table. Tony had me mark this at the first diamond, paper reinforcement. And that's where our cue ball is going to go. Then, right off the center diamond, so that the, in this case, 8 ball is about a 1/4 inch off the cushion, I want you to mark that spot as well. So now, let's see what this is all about. We are set up now with these balls. We've got them all right on the diamonds, all the way around here. So what we're going to try to do, since we've got a duplicated type situation here because we're marked with paper reinforcements, we're going to experiment with our tip position and try to make contact with each ball so that we can memorize, basically with that kind of an angle, where that cue ball will go after it contacts the rail. You'll be surprised at how much variation we have with just such a little bit of tip movement. So we don't really have to, apply a lot of English or a lot of spin here. We're actually just kind of stunning this shot with just a minute amount of tip position movement. And that's very important to understand. I think a lot of players really don't understand how subtle it is, actually. I know I didn't when I started. So let's try to hit the 6 ball first. I'm going to put just a little bit of right. When we're looking at just the horizontal plane on the cue ball to hit these 3 balls. Wow, right on the money. Now we're going to try to hit that 3 ball, so I'm going to move the tip a little bit more towards center for that shot. Not bad, not bad. Now we're going to try to hit the 9 ball. Once again, I'm going to just move the tip just slightly. How about that? Now these are a little bit different because we're coming this direction. The first ball is going to be just a little bit below, so we're going to hit just a slight bit below the equator. Now we're going vertical. And you'll notice when I take these other 2 shots how much different that is. So once again, I'm trying for the 12. Pretty much almost straight on center. Not bad, not bad. Now that we know about a 16th below center hit this diamond, let's see if we can hit the center diamond with just a little bit below more than what we just shot. Probably about 1/8 of an inch now below center. That's pretty good. This last shot on the 14, I'm going to move my tip position even lower. Now what I have found, I'll tell you right now, and you will as well, is that if I move another 16th below, it won't be enough. It was a 16th to go from here to here, but now that I've got it beyond this center line, it seems that I have to hit a little bit more below center. So rather than go 3/16, because we got 1, 2, and 3/16, I'm going to go more like a 1/4 inch below center to make this hit. This is the beauty of this exercise, because you now are gaining knowledge as to the angle of how that cue ball with stun will come off there in relationship to where these two balls are. Once again, 1/4 inch below center now. Look at that. You guys, this was real powerful when Tony showed this to me. And it's so important to be very accurate, especially in straight pool. In a case like that, we might need to be right on that spot so that we can have another stop shot so we can continue our run. Without understanding where the cue ball is going to go and how much spin you need to put on it, and that's really not much at all. We're talking about stun, right? It's only just a little tiny movement of the cue on the cue ball that makes everything happen. You must perform this to get a good understanding of how the cue ball will roll off the rail after you've moved your tip just slightly one direction or the other. I'll be happy to answer all your questions and comments. So until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.